So the other night, we took Zoey down to Silliman Beach with the best of intentions, and then somehow it all went wrong.
I was just a kid.
Yeah, we'll just let the video speak for itself.
Ooh. Zoey.
It's a monster. It's a monster. Nothing. Just a little smile.
She's still overwhelmed by all the people and new things to see down here at Silliman Beach. Welcome to Cheese Stick Country. Pansaya Paseo. Purokwan Bantayan, Dumaguete City. And everybody sells cheese sticks, just lines of people selling cheese sticks. So we'll get some cheese sticks. Hi, no thank you. Wala ko. So everybody down here is basically selling cheese stick. People are partaking in cheese stick.
Hey, are you Ned from My Philippine Dreams?
Well, yes, I am Ned from My Philippine Dreams.
Your video was good before. What happened now?
It's a long story. So yeah, cheese stick, it's like this whole thing. That's why they call it Cheese Stick Country, and people are eating cheese stick, and I don't even know why I bother, man. I get this all the time now. Okay, so Ate is cooking us up some food. What did you guys order again?
Fries.
French fries, because Zoey likes French fries.
And then you want cheese stick.
Cheese stick, of course.
And we forgot the name of the new one.
The new one. What is it? Spicy?
No, there's a meat inside. But you can, if you want spicy, they have a sauce.
Ganahan ko halang. I want spicy. So I guess this stuff is called binchi, and it's like a grilled meat fried in something. Everything down here is fried.
This one.
Oh, okay. This is something I haven't seen before. Thank you, Ate. So we'll be trying this while they devour French fries with artificial cheese dust on it. Alright, let's try this out.
Spicy halang.
Spicy halang? Okay, we're gonna try this out here. It's good. Very good. Lami. Masarap. Sabroso. Yeah. I'm impressed. Not bad. So yeah, everything down here in Cheese Stick Country is fried. Everybody just has these giant fryolators and they're just frying up stuff. Now how much are these?
5 pesos.
5 pesos each. Can't beat that. Okay. So this is what a cheese stick is. It's basically just a lumpia wrapper wrapped around some cheese and they fry it up. So that's cheese stick. It's pretty good actually. And we were just talking about, because Tay lives down here. Ate lives down here. So she told us that the city came and took all the dogs. Barney, the 2 brownies, Chica, Bedoy,
And Maldita.
and Maldita. They took all the dogs and killed them. And I asked, I wonder what they do with the meat. And Janice said, what did Janice say?
You can cook it.
You
Dog
can-
adobo.
You can cook it dog adobo. Now, have you any personal experience with
Yeah, when I was a kid.
when you were a kid? You ate dog adobo.
Yeah, I did.
How was it?
Good.
It was good? Yeah. Okay. Do you know kind of,
Subscribers will gonna turn off.
do you know
I was a kid.
so was it better than like pork adobo or
Just seemed like that.
same, yeah, chicken adobo, cuz I like chicken adobo. I'm a big fan, and pork adobo. I don't know about dog adobo. I know it's big up in some areas of Luzon. Up in the mountains, they still eat dog. Hey man, protein's expensive. Gotta do what you gotta do. And I hope I'm never on an airplane with Janice and the plane goes down and we're forced to survive. Because you know she's gonna be the first cannibal.
It was before I think.
Janice, I heard people taste like pig. Is that true? They call it long pig.
Been a long time ago.
Okay, a long time ago.
Just so defensive.
Zoe's, yeah, so defensive. And Zoe's just traumatized by the whole conversation. Okay, so continuing on our previous conversation, we brought up frogs, and Janice said she's also had frogs.
I did.
And I asked, frog adobo? And she said yes. How was it?
Good. It tastes like chicken,
Tastes like chicken?
but it's small.
Just
Small meat.
so it was just the legs, basically, the frog legs. So up in Bacola, there's a bunch of frogs trying to hop
No,
around with no
it's
legs.
somewhere
So there's little frogs just dragging themselves along with their little stunted front legs because you guys ate their back legs. All right.
Birds.
Like we said, protein's expensive.
Good. She also ate
Birds.
It's bird adobo.
Bird adobo, of course.
Cousins and brother, they shoot the bird, then they cook adobo.
What kind of bird was it?
I don't know.
Just some random kind of bird, something flying around, and they just like shot it.
Yeah, whatever they shot.
And so you had bird
She's
adobo.
very dangerous.
And people wonder why you don't see seagulls in the Philippines. And this is why.
Janice ate them.
Because Janice ate
But
them.
before, when I was a kid.
Janice and her family ate
Oh,
all
I remember the story.
the birds. That's why you don't see many birds. Look at this. There's no birds flying around.
My two cousins came from Germany and they don't have cash, Philippine money. They went to their hotel room and they don't have cash. They went in our house and the only food that we have is the bird adobo.
Bird adobo.
And they don't have a choice.
So you got your cousins visiting from first world Germany, and you're making them eat wild
They
birds.
don't have choice. They don't have cash.
Yeah,
So they eat the bird adobo.
yeah. That's why when you come here to the Philippines, you got to make sure you convert to pesos so you can go to Jollibee instead of having to eat Janice's bird adobo. Just saying. As we're heading along here, Janice says she has a story about a cockroach.
No, someone from Iloilo, ano na, she grilled the cockroach and then she said we have to eat it so we don't get a stomach ache.
Ah, so it's like a folk remedy? Ah.
I never ate cockroach.
So is this person aswang, perhaps?
No, it's not.
No.
Maybe witchcraft?
So, how was it?
I don't know because it's burned.
It was well done? You didn't get it medium rare? You got it well done? Alright. Well, again, thanks for sharing all your stories about your exotic cuisine. And I have a feeling Rick A is going to be very disappointed with you. There's some nice bamboo right there. One thing you'll notice, a lot of the houses down here, close to Silliman, are actually elevated. You'll see that a lot because they do get storm surge down here. And you can see it's low, like the main road's right here. They just actually redid this road. They did a fantastic job on it. They did all the irrigation ditches, but you can see the properties are lower. And there's a nice old car over there. I don't know what kind of car that is. That's nice. All right, moving along. Around the corner is Copico. We're out of here.
Hey, are you Ned from My Philippine Dreams?
Why, yes, I am Ned from My Philippine Dreams.
Oh, I usually saw your video that it was good before. What happened?
I don't know. I just kind of. So yeah, cheese stick. It's just all cheese stick. That was really good. Want to do it again, but can you be louder so I can pick you up on the microphone?
So the other night we took Zoey down to Silliman Beach with the best of intentions, and then somehow it all went wrong.
Okay, that's it.
Take two.
Okay. Again.
So the other night we took Zoey down to Silliman Beach with the best of intentions, and then somehow
I was just a kid.
you gotta wait till I say
Wait.
somehow it all went wrong.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Take three. Yeah, we'll just let the video speak for itself.
Joey also
Good.
laugh.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.